Hello and welcome back to the latest video of How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you get your first job in Upwork with no experience. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first thing you have to do is open your Google Chrome and search Upwork and then click to the first option that pops up. Shortly after clicking to the first option, it will redirect you to your Upwork profile. After opening your Upwork profile, you just simply have to find this search button here and search the kind of job you're looking for and select entry level after searching here, which will help you to get the clients who are searching for newcomer freelancers in Upwork. Now I'm selecting this job here. It says copy paste job for new beginners and it is looking for freelancer with the lowest rate at entry level. If you select the jobs who's looking for entry level freelancers, it will be easier for you to get the job. After selecting the job, you have to click into the apply here and then select the requirements and add a simple cover letter down here. Then it says send for 8 connects and just click to I understand Upwork policies, submit the application. Your proposal was submitted. You have successfully applied for a job in Upwork. We will keep making this kind of helpful video for you in the future. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for more exciting future contents. Thank you for watching. Be healthy and keep loving the tech.